Welcome to the LOC Group Business Advice web series, in which we offer insights on ways to improve market share, increase revenue, and decrease costs, the Trinity of business. Hi, I'm Phil Swearingen, and in this episode, I will be sharing my insights on how to address the fears about the impact automation may have upon the workforce. Implementing automation, in my mind, can be boiled down to two scenarios: replacing or assisting labor. Regardless of the scenario, no one likes change. So key to managing the outcome is to develop and deploy a clear communication plan. The message should include the business need, where the automation is going, the benefits expected, post-implementation, the steps from procurement to installation, and any expected impact upon the workforce. When it comes to automation versus labor, we are discussing any negative impact upon the workforce. Even if the automation will remove any employee from a hazardous environment, if the employee loses their job, expect resistance to the change. So what are some of the techniques to minimize resistance to implementing automation that replaces staff? Get frontline staff on the planning team and make the need to automate a team decision. The team then can help the workforce understand the necessity. Determine if internal resources will be required to operate or tend to the new equipment. This is an opportune time to offer affected employees retraining to run the new equipment or for other roles within the organization. If the automation is going to assist employees, again, get frontline staff to participate in the planning. This is a great way to improve buy-in and to avoid the "I did not know" syndrome during implementation. To help your organizations improve the acceptance of automation projects by labor, call or write us.